How to fix E3 error in a washing machine.
Hello viewers, in today's video, we're going to guide you through how to troubleshoot and fix the E3 error in your washing machine. This common problem can be caused by several issues and will help you diagnose and rectify the problem effectively.
What does E3 error code mean?
E3 error code typically indicates a problem in the motor drive system of your washing machine. This could mean the motor is not able to turn, the speed sensor is failing, or there's a problem with the control board.
Checking the basics.
Before diving deep into technical aspects, let's make sure we've checked the basics. 1. Make sure the washer is not overloaded. Overloading can sometimes cause the E3 error. If the machine is overloaded, remove some items and try running the machine again. 2. Check if the washing machine drum turns freely. Sometimes, the drum may be jammed due to a foreign object. If this is the case, turn off and unplug the machine, then carefully check for any foreign objects in the drum.
Checking the motor and speed sensor.
If the basic checks didn't resolve the problem, the next step involves inspecting the motor and the speed sensor. Turn off and unplug the machine before doing these steps for safety. 1. Inspect the motor. Ensure that there are no visible signs of damage or burning. If the motor seems damaged, it might need to be replaced. 2. Check the speed sensor. It's usually located near the motor and connected to it with a wire. Make sure it's securely connected and free of any visible damage. If the speed sensor appears to be damaged or disconnected, it may need to be replaced or reconnected.
Checking the control board.
If the motor and speed sensor are working fine, the last thing to check is the control board. It's the computer of your washing machine and can sometimes be the source of the problem. 1. Look for any signs of damage or burning on the control board. If there are, you might need to replace it. 2. Check if all the connections are secure. Loose connections can cause various error codes including E3. If you find any loose cables, reattach them firmly. So, those were the steps to troubleshoot and fix the E3 error on your washing machine. Always remember to turn off and unplug your machine before doing any inspection to ensure your safety. If you're unable to resolve the issue, consider consulting a professional. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.